Alaan mo!
Blind item news, Kapamilya actress finally admits she's in love. Kapamilya actress B finally admitted that she's in love right now but refused to name her boyfriend for their privacy. And her interview with Maritas as actress if she's in love right now. Yes, B said, hindi ko kasi siya sasabihing secret. We just chose this path kasi we both believe na ang atin. Pumasok tayo sa trabahong to na magulo. Huwag na nating paguluhin pa, pati yung atin, she added. Personal choice namin yan. And for us, kasi talaga naniniwala kami pag ano kasing nandyan, sisirain. Pag hindi kayo magka-love team kayo, gustong maging kayo. Pag kayo, pag sisirain kayo, so might as well, o anong alam nyo, okay kung anong alam nyo, okay po. Yun na lang, she explained. When asked if she will marry her special someone, B said, yes, of course, I will not protect it naman if hindi. The actress also expressed her happiness with her love life now. Dagdag pa ng aktres, siguro yon pala yung pakiramdam na inaalagaan ka naman. Hindi lang ikaw yung nagbibigay ng love. Meron ka namang nare-receive na love. Mas naging expressive ako. Mas expressive ako sa mga bagay sa emosyon, especially when it comes to the aspect of love, she said. Yung I miss you, I love you, yung hindi na ako nahihiya to take care of somebody. Dati kasi meron pang baka isipin naman masyado akong ano, 'di ba? Or sa family ko, minsan dahil na nakalakihan na namin na hindi kami sweet, ngayon mas sweet ako dahil sa love. So ang laki ng difference, she added.